CopperMine, better tools, better results. Introducing the CopperMine Model 400. This machine contains a powerful 1 1/4 horsepower 120 volt motor with an adjustable speed to strip 30 to 200 feet per minute. The machine can strip wires from 18 gauge to 1250 kcm and has a designated romex channel. The power switch is located next to the speed dial. Use the red lever to switch the machine on or off. Using the speed dial allows wire to pass through the machine very fast, giving the Model 400 a competitive edge and higher efficiency. Changing the blade is quick and easy. Raise the blade till the bearing is visible from the side hole, loosen the set screw, and the blade comes right out. Now let's strip some wire. The motor speed has been reduced for demonstration purposes in this video. 14 gauge wire. Don't waste time trying to find a slit. Use our Easy Start blade to remove the copper quick and easy. 12 gauge solid. Ten gauge. Romex. 12 feet of 2 gauge stranded wire. Double zero short wire. .600 kcm stranded. .8 feet of 1000 kcm. The Model 400 can do it all. If you would like to purchase our Model 400, please call us toll free at 1-855-643-7491 or visit us at copperminetools.com, eBay, Amazon, or our Sears website. Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter to keep up to date with everything happening at CopperMine, where customer service is always number one, and our promise is better tools, better results.